subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Vivo launched its new Y series phone in China called Vivo Y100t with 5G support. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Vivo Y100t features a 6.64-inch Full HD Plus display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate support, and it has a large 91.1% screen-to-body ratio. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 8200 chipset, paired with Mali G610 MC6 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12 GB of LPDDR5 RAM that can be extended up to 8 GB by using internal storage, and it has 256 or 512 GB of UFS 3.1 storage. As per the optics, the Vivo Y100t sports a dual camera setup at the top left corner that includes a 64-megapixel main camera with f1.79 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone is capable to shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it has 16-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.45 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 120 watts ultra-fast charging support, and it runs on Android 13, with Origin OS 3 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 164.58 by 75.8 by 8.79 millimeters, and it weighs around 200 grams. So now let's see the pricing details of this smartphone. The Vivo Y100t has been priced in China for 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at 1,449 Chinese yuan, while the 12GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at 1,649 Chinese yuan, and the higher variant with 12GB plus 512GB storage option is priced at 1,849 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in snowy white, moon shadow black, and distant mountain blue color options, and it is set to go on sale starting from February 28th. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo Y100t 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.